First, you have to install the Vince Manager APK file, and I have installed the app. And here you can find the Vince Manager app, and I'm opening it. And here you can find three dialog boxes. And first one is Vince Micro, and second one is YouTube Music Vince, and third one is YouTube Vince. First, you have to install the Vince Micro that will help you to log in your Gmail account for YouTube Vince. So I am installing the Vince Micro. It will take some time, so you have to wait sometimes, and it's installing. uh, Allow the permissions and install it. So the Vince Micro is installing. Close. Okay. And then you have to install YouTube Music if you want to use the YouTube Music. Otherwise you can ignore it, and then you have to install the YouTube Fenced APK file, the Fenced app. So you can choose any of them, and I will go for light and black and install. So the YouTube Fenced is installing, and it will take some time, so please wait. Install it. So YouTube Fenced is installing, and after installing I will use it. So the app has been installed, and here you can find the YouTube Fenced app, and I have to open it. Close. This app is totally ad free, and you can watch any YouTube video here without advertisement. So you have to first sign in your Gmail account, and I'm signing from here. So I'm signing my account, and you have to wait for some times. So I have successfully signed in my Gmail account, and here you can find show my account, and you have to change some settings. So you have to go first here and general settings. You can turn off the picture in picture mode, or you can keep it, and then you have to go the Vent settings, and here you can see add settings, and you can see general layout and remove. This is turned on, and then you can turn it on also. Here you can see home ads, and you have to restart. Okay. And retry, and you can see the YouTube. Here is no advertisement here, and you can play the YouTube video without an advertisement. So I'm playing this video. So you can see this video is playing without any advertisement. See, and you can play in the background also. Here you can see the YouTube is playing in the background, and and if you turn off the screen, the video will playing also. So by this way you can use the YouTube Friends tab, and you can use your YouTube without an advertisement, and you can play the YouTube in the background. So thank you, and subscribe my channel.